was aided by my tattoo artist. Okay, so for the record, I went by myself. I had a tattoo appointment in New Orleans. 3 o'clock yesterday. That's what time my appointment was for. He was a little late or whatever, but he had came like 30 minutes later or whatever. Mind you, I went to his house.
I like her jacket.
He said he had another shop, but it was further than his house. I just went to the closest one, which was his house. Okay, mind you, this is not my first time going by myself to get a tattoo. This is my first time going to him. We followed each other on Instagram for a while, but I thought he was like a cool person or whatever. Like, he seemed like cool to, he seemed really cool. Okay. So I had on this brown two-piece set. Y'all know those Target two-piece sets or whatever. So it was shorts and a shirt. Mind you, the tattoo that I got is on my leg, but the area is only right here. I have work done up here, but he wasn't working on that. So, however, he ended up telling me, like, pull up my shorts on the side. So I pulled my shorts up on the side, but, like, I guess I didn't pull it up enough. So he wanted to roll them up. So, like, he rolled it into my underwear. So now it's like I have on, like, a swimsuit. That's what my shorts are looking like on both sides, both legs. My shorts are rolled up. Okay, and so he put paper towels in, like, the creases of my shorts or whatever. So I'm thinking maybe he didn't want the ink to get on me or whatever. I'm not sure because I do have a tattoo, like, on the back side. Okay, so I'm on the table, the tattoo table. And the first red flag was he pulled the table down, like, pulled it down to where, like, I'm almost on the floor. And he pulled his seat down, but his legs wasn't under the table. His legs was, like, leveled with the table. So it's like, your knees are going to be on my back if you do my tattoo, right? Okay. So as he's doing that or whatever, he's doing my tattoo, I'm kind of feeling uncomfortable. So I text my friend, I'm like, I think his private area is on my back or whatever. But I'm like, maybe I'm tripping. So a couple minutes go by, and then he started, like, using my other leg and, like, twisting, like, pulling open my shorts. And, like, he would set his, what, right there. And so I would, like, scoot over. Mind you, I'm by myself. I'm in New Orleans. I'm in his house. If you know, then you know. Like, I don't know what to do at this point. So, like, I don't want to text anybody. Well, I don't want to call anybody and tell them to come get me. Or, come. And I don't know what type of stage of mind he's in. Mind you, you pulling in, so it's no telling, like, what you're really capable of. So, the whole time, he's, like, steady doing that. Every time I scoot over, he'll pull me back or, like, literally grab me and turn me. And it's like I'm sitting on his lap. Like, I'm literally basically laying on his lap. And I'm like, I'm finna fall. He's like, no, you're fine. Da-da-da-da. I'm like, okay, so, like, I'm just ready for it to be over. So I'm literally texting everybody. I done got on the phone. I'm calling everybody. I'm like, I'm trying to play it off. Like, yeah, I gotta go. And he's still not stopping. It's not phasing him. None whatsoever. And he's still opening up my pants, my shorts, and sticking his right there. And so this happened the whole time. I was there from 3 o'clock all the way up until 9, 10 o'clock. And he would not stop. And so around, like, 9 o'clock, I'm like, okay, I'm ready to go. I got work in the morning, this, that, and the third. So he's like, oh, well, let me just draw out what I'm gonna finish later. So that was a whole another, like, 30 minutes. And I'm just like, you're not done yet? Like, I'm just trying to get out of here safely without being, So he wouldn't stop. He would not stop at all. And I just came on here to tell my story because I feel like he's done this to other people because I don't know you from a can of paint. And you just did that. And then on top of that, he sent me my money back. That's how you know you're guilty of something. Like, I didn't say anything. I played it so cool. When I got in the car, I cried. Because I know this had happened to somebody before. And it's like, why would you even, like, do anything like that? Like, that's so weird. He never gave off that vibe or anything. But it's like, you don't know nowadays. And that's why you literally, if you're going somewhere, guys, go with somebody. Don't be like me. Do not be like me. Like, seriously. It's like, the whole time, he's literally pulling open. This is my clothes. He's pulling it to the side, and he's sticking his thing right there. And even, like, if he'll turn around and, like, get something off the table, he'll literally still have it in there. He'll be like this and keep it in there, and he'll just turn around like this. And I'm just, like, I'm literally shaking on the table. Like, I'm so ready to go. I'm irritated. I'm scared for my life. I didn't know what to do. And I feel like if I called the police, he was going to kill me.
Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. I'm trying to picture exactly what she's talking about. But the only thing that I will say is, man, ladies, y'all got to be careful with going over people's houses. You know what I'm saying? Now, I know this was a tattoo artist, but it was just somebody she, met off Instagram. I guess they didn't have a shop, obviously. I think she did say something about a shop. But I don't know. Try to get a good rapport with people before y'all ladies. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can be overpowered by men. You know what I'm saying? So it's just best bet to make sure that you're in some type of environment to where you're really safe. I know this shouldn't be happening, right? But it should be a professional setting. But we got crazy people out here, man. They doing all type of different shit. So I'm guessing he was putting his. Oh.
Okay, so for one, let's start there. I called the police. The police was called after I left. Okay? I called the police. I did a report. I gave my statement. She said she was going to get the statement from him and get back with me. I haven't heard nothing. Okay? I called the police.
Well, that's why he gave the money back probably right there.
The police. I didn't just not tell the police and tell y'all. I called the police. Let's start there. For two, y'all saying, oh, why you didn't just get up and leave, da-da-da-da, this, that, and the third. I'm 5'2". 128 pounds. I'm not finna fight this man. He's crazy enough to do this. There's no telling what he's capable of. Mind you, it's me, him, and his brother. His brother is somewhere in the house. So 2 men against 1. We're in New Orleans. His house was an hour away from where I live. If I call anybody, I'm still in the inside of his house. So how am I gonna get out safely and get on the outside wherever safety is at? For 3, everyone that's not understanding how I was laying on my side. I dropped a picture in the last video. I put it in the comments so you guys can see. My shorts were rolled all the way up. Hold on. Okay, so I already had this tattoo. This is the tattoo that I already had. I already had this fish tattoo. The only thing that he did was this flower and this flower right here and these waves. My shorts did not have to be all the way up like this as they were. When I asked him, you know, like why did you have them up or whatever, it was oh, he's just trying to see how the tattoo was gonna flow. Okay, the whole time I kept feeling uncomfortable. I'm scooting over it like to get in the middle of the table. I'm pulling down my shorts and he's constantly pulling them up into my drawers, rolling them up, and like saying he needs me in this position so he can do the tattoo. Once again, I told the police. I told them. I still haven't heard back from them, but I told them. I came on here to tell you guys the story because I feel like I needed to get the story out there because there's no way that he only did this to me. And oh and behold, he did this to many other people. And nobody has ever said anything. I'm the only person that actually went to the police. I came over here to tell my story. That's all. I didn't ask for y'all help. None of that. I came over here to tell my story about the situation and raise awareness. That's it.
All right. So what y'all think? Y'all let me know in the comments below. The only thing I'm gonna say is, man, ladies, be careful. Be careful where you go. Be careful who you know what I'm saying, going around, you know what I'm saying? Especially, you know, it's him and the brother. Like she said, this is a young girl. We already know niggas overpower females, bro. So, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just gotta be more cautious and more careful. I wonder what's gonna come out of this case here. My boy probably a little, I don't know, man. I don't know, cause the way she was just sitting, I guess you really don't need to see you goddamn the girl shorts to be all the way up there. I see you want to see how it's gonna flow, but I don't know, man. Y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think in the comments below, man. Y'all think see, like, look, boom, right there.
He did was this flower and this flower right here and these waves. My shorts did not have to be all the way up like this as they were. When I asked him, you know, like why did you have them up or whatever, it was oh, he's just trying to see how the tattoo was gonna flow. Okay, the whole time I kept feeling uncomfortable. I'm scooting over it like to get in the middle of the table. I'm pulling down my shorts and he's constantly pulling them up into my drawers, rolling them up, and like saying he needs me in this position so he can do the tattoo. Once again, I told the police.
Yeah, you keep on touching the girl's shorts and shit. I don't know. That's why I don't be wanting, man. If I was like an artist or something, not an artist, or did anything with women massages or whatever the case is, I would need like a motherfucking camera right there at all times, so a motherfucker can't say I did nothing to them. You know what I'm saying? So, but yep, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below, man. Drop a comment. Y'all let me know, was the tattoo artist being freaky or what? All right. I appreciate y'all for tuning in and rock with me, man. Like I say, ladies, y'all be careful, man, in the environments that you go into. You know, it's crazy out here. You know, it's unfortunate that we got people that are devils. You know what I'm saying? And they will hurt you. You know what I'm saying? And I've been listening to the story. Niggas don't care about going to jail. I don't know what's going on in the world. These people tripping. So y'all be careful out there, man. Keep your head on a swivel. Appreciate y'all. Smash that like button. I'm out of here. Peace.